Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, I wanted to show you how to get this look right here. So if you'd like to see how I got this look using some really awesome products, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. So to get started for today's look, I'm using the Makiage foundation, and this is in the shade 145 in the foundation shade range of Woke Up Like This. I absolutely love this coverage. I love how beautiful it sits on the skin. Really comfortable to wear as well. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in a shade light medium. I'm just placing it all over where I like to contour and highlight, and then blending it out with the Beauty Blender once again. I'm using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, and this is in the color Truffle. I absolutely love this to contour. It's really creamy, really easy to blend, and it's just so easy to work with. So I really like using this on days I really want a little extra glam. Next, I'm moving on to brows. I filled them in with a pencil, and now I'm just fluffing them up and adding some brow gel. This is in the shade number 3 by Benefit Cosmetics. Then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is really great to prime your lids, that way nothing moves throughout the day and nothing creases as far as the eyeshadow as well. Next, I'm going to be taking one of my favorite palettes. This is by Honest Beauty, and I'm first starting with the color Soft Browns. I'm applying this to my crease and then blending it out using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm using the color Sunlit Copper. I'm applying this to the outer edge of the eye, so the outer V of the eye. I want to really blend this out and focus this color just primarily on the outer edge and then blend it out all together. And then going into this beautiful color called Strobe Champagne, I'm going right ahead with my ring finger and I'm just applying it directly onto the eyelid and the center of the eyelid and on the inner tear duct as well. I went back into the color Sunlit Copper and I blended that out on the bottom of the lash line. I really wanted to smoke it out, so I'm taking this nice brush and I'm just really blending it out and dragging it a little downward. Now taking my Revlon eyelash curler and I'm just going to really curl my lashes, make sure that they really have nice lift to them. And then after this, I'm applying the Honest Beauty mascara. This mascara is one of my absolute favorites. I love it because I can add the primer so that I can really extend the fibers in the lashes themselves, and then applying the mascara over top, and it gets every single lash. So it's truly my favorite mascara. Then going in with the Honest Beauty, this is highlighting bronzer. And I love this because it adds a little bit of color, a little bit of highlight, but it doesn't overdo it. So it's really natural, really soft, and really pretty at the same time. So I'm just bronzing everywhere I contoured, and I'm just blending that out afterward. Then I'm going into the Honest Beauty blush, and I'm using the color Frisky. This blush is so pretty, and again, I'm taking it onto the apples of my cheeks and a little higher. That way I can really lift my face and have a beautiful glow. I'm then taking a larger blending brush and I'm just blending all of my face powders all together. That way they look nice and evenly blended. Next, I'm using the lip liner in the color Ablaze, and this is a collaboration that Carli Bybel did with Makiage. I love this lip liner. It's really nice and it just glides onto the lips really easily. So I'm filling in my lips and then I'm slightly filling in my entire lip on the outer edges as well. That way the lip color can last a lot longer. And last but not least, I'm using this liquid lipstick by Honest Beauty in the shade Love. When I tell you that I absolutely love this liquid lipstick, I'm not lying. This one is so creamy, so long lasting. It literally feels like you have nothing on throughout the day. It is absolutely one of my favorite reds to wear all the time, and it has such a nice pop, and the longevity to it is amazing. It lasts all day long, so I really highly recommend this lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.